Now we are going to look into grouping sets, cube and rollup. So consider if this is the table, grouping sets, rollup and cube will help me to get grand totals, subtotals and the multi-level summaries instead of me writing many group by queries. So if I have a sample table, grouping sets will help me to do custom groupings so that I can define exactly what combination am I looking for. With the help of rollup, it helps me to give hierarchical subtotals. It rolls up from detail and then till the grand total. Whereas cube will give me all combinations like a pivot table and all levels of summary. So in grouping sets, I define what combination am I looking for. Then in rollup, it will give me hierarchical subtotals, and then with cube, it will give me all combinations. Okay, so let us look into each one. So this is grouping sets. Here I have specified the grouping sets as category and region. So this is category and region total sales. Okay, here you can see that there is a null, so it shows me total of east. As you can see, 1300 plus 100, it shows me 1400 here. 1200 plus 150, it shows the details here. For south also it adds up, and then it adds up for the west. Also here it gives me the complete total. As you can see, null, and then the total sale amount is 5000. Moreover, for electronics it is 4100, and then for furniture it is 900. So this is the total amount that comes for furniture, and this is the total amount that comes for electronics. So here what it has shown me, it has shown me category region wise details, it has shown me category wise details, it has shown me region wise details. Okay, here now let me remove region wise details here and execute the query again. Okay, so now if you see in the query, I have this result, and as you can see here, there is no region wise details. That is, I do not see the region wise details like how I had earlier. If I remove these category details also and I execute it, so now you can see it shows me category and the region, and then the total. I'll make another change. Let me remove this and the comma here. So as you can see here, it shows me the category with its total, category with its total. So here in the grouping sets, I can specify any combination that I would want in the result. So this is with grouping sets. Now let us look into the next one. So if this is the sales, let us look into the next one, which is rollup. Now rollup helps me to give the hierarchical total. So here,
you go down, I will not go down.
Here I can see the major total, that is the final total, and also I can see the category and the region. Now let me just reverse this, because here it will show me category, region, category and the main total. Okay.
Going down is 1 second.
So here it shows. Now when I specify, let me change this order also, region and then the category. See, this is the region, and then it is showing me the region wise totals and then the main total. So Rollup is a special case of a grouping set where it will include, one is it will include region category, then it is going to include region wise totals, then it is going to include the grand total. So Rollup is always going to give me hierarchical details. So region category, then taking a hierarchy one notch higher. So then it will be region and then the main thing. Rather, if I specify, so here is the region wise details, east, north, south and the west. If I specify category and then the region, here also I will specify category and then the region. Let us see the difference in the query. So here it's showing me category region wise details and it is showing me category details and then it is showing the grand total. So here if I specify category and the region and then it will show me category wise details. So it's like a special case of a grouping set where it goes hierarchical in an hierarchical manner. So this is Rollup. Now let's see the last one, which is cube. Now cube, it will give me everything. In grouping set I can define, in Rollup it is the hierarchical nature, and in cube it will give me everything that is there. So as you can see here, so this is east furniture, so it shows, so now as you can see here it is showing me all the region wise details also. Here it is showing me category wise details also, and here it is showing me the main total also. So cube basically is going to give me all the combinations that are there. Whereas in grouping sets I can specify, in grouping sets I can specify what are the combinations that I am looking for. So here if I do not specify this, it will not show me the grand total. Whereas cube will give me everything. So this is with grouping sets, Rollup and cube. We can take one more example. Let me show you. So here I have an employees table. And I insert details into it. So the details that I have inserted is employee ID, employee name, the department that they belong to, the location, what is their salary, and the joining date. Now Here let's say I specify only location. I am not looking for the department. I am not looking for this total also. So here I can specify for the grouping sets. I can specify a query like this. So in Chicago, the total salary that goes in is this, and in New York the total salary that goes in is this. Then after that I'll show you one example for Rollup also. So here Rollup, it will show me department location, it will show me department wise also, as you can see here, and then after that it is going to show me Q, and then it is also going to show me the main total. Now let us consider Q. Now cube is going to show me all details. So here you can see it is showing me the main total, here it is showing location wise, and here it is showing the department wise. Further, we will see one example with the group by and having.